I really want to talk about? I want to talk about this smart cat litter box thing that I got. How cool is that? It's an automatic pooper scooper. It takes the shit out for you so you don't have to do it yourself. I'm lazy. I don't want to scoop up poop. This thing will scoop up poop for me. But I can't open the box because it's not Christmas. It's a Christmas present to myself, for me, because I'm a cat. And it automatically cleans up after me. Oh, isn't that fun? Smart cat litter box. You don't want a dumb cat litter box. You want a smart cat litter box. They're different, I promise. Smart cat litter box. You should get yourself a smart cat litter box too. If you want your cat to do their business smart.